This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 427 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, a Graystone interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, LP detector, oven, external shower, water heater, self-contained, refrigerator, skylight, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 427 BHS is 12,830 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 427 BHS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.